So what do you do after a long day when you don't want something really big, but you want something really good? How about a whole bunch of appetizers? Oh yeah, that sounds perfect. Are you ready? I know I am. Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and we have got something great for dinner tonight. It is apps, all about apps. We've got shrimp two ways, we've got grilled mushrooms, we've got Asian Brussels sprouts on the grill. Oh, what else do we have here? Oh yeah, we're in Wisconsin, so we're gonna do my own version of cheese curds. We've got a little bit of everything, and we've got to get things started off first. Mise en place. We talk about it all the time. You want to get everything ready and ready to go so that we can get it on the grill and start this app fest. Let's do it. Okay, so to get everything ready for the Brussels sprouts, we're gonna do them Asian style. First, I parboiled the Brussels sprouts to get them soft and then let them cool. That's a big step in all of this. Then we're gonna take a little garlic, a little allspice, and a little ginger, rub it all over. This is the fun part. You just wanna sprinkle it all over every one of the Brussels sprouts and rub it all in. And then we're gonna top it off with some hoisin sauce, and we'll just wipe that over, and then they'll be ready for the grill. So next up, we have to get the shrimp ready, and we're gonna do it in two ways. The first way, we're gonna take some garlic, some salt, some pepper, some turmeric, and some cayenne pepper, and just rub it all over, and that'll be one version. The second version, what we're gonna do is I have these chorizo bacon strips, and we're gonna wrap the shrimp with the chorizo and cook that all on the grill. Now, one other element we're gonna throw on the grill is andouille sausage. I love a good sausage with appetizer, so we'll just grill that straight up, slice it, and it'll be part of the overall appetizer plate that we're building.
We're also going to get some mushrooms grilling as well. Start it off with some olive oil, some pepper, a little bit of garlic. We're going to get some cayenne pepper in there and some turmeric as well. Top it off with just a little bit of salt, rub it all together, put them on the grill.
Hey, just a reminder, if you like the content you're seeing here on the channel, please click and subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way, whenever a new video comes out, you'll be notified right away. So with the fire going, it's now time to start working on the batter for our cheese curds. And yes, I say batter because I'm going to use some flour, some spices, but then I'm going to use a little club soda to mix it up, and we'll dip the cheese curds in there and then into the hot oil. So let's get that started.
This part of the recipe is pretty easy. You want to use about a quarter cup of flour. You want to use some baking powder. I'm using some Old Bay in here. We've got some cayenne pepper, some turmeric, some garlic, love the garlic, and some pepper. Then I'm going to take some club soda, mix it all together, and that's the batter for the cheese curds.
The fire is now ready. It's time to get everything on the grill. We'll start with the sausage and then work our way through everything.
That grill is nice and hot. We're going to just start with getting the andouille sausage on there, and then slowly just getting a little bit of everything onto the grill to give it time to cook up and take in that smoke. Next up, you want to heat up the oil and get your cheese curds and batter ready because you're going to be dipping them in soon once the oil comes up to temperature.
Everything's going well on the grill. Time to get the cheese curds in and start cooking.
Once you start dropping the cheese curds, you want to keep an eye on them because these are going to go really quickly and you don't want to overcook them and burn them.
Okay, we're gonna make a quick dipping sauce for the cheese curds. Basically sour cream, some Ken's Steakhouse buttermilk dressing, and a little bit of Old Bay. We're gonna throw in some dill in there, and that will be our dipping sauce. After that, it's time to take everything, put it on the table, and let's plate this up and eat it. And there you have it, apps for dinner. We've got the Brussel sprouts, we've got some sausage, we've got some shrimp, if I can get it out, and then of course we've got cheese curds. I'm drinking a Wisconsin Red Pale Ale by Leinenhügel, so there. And then the movie for dinner and movie tonight, Chocolat. So I'll have that afterwards. But let's check this out. Sausage, good. Shrimp, good. Brussels sprouts, awesome. Oh, forgot the mushrooms. Fantastic. The cheese curds. All perfectly cooked. This is a small meal in terms of just little individual dishes, but it's a big meal when you assemble it all together. And again, this is something you can do easily on the road or at home. And with my motto, you know, no need to eat poorly on the road, this is a great example of it. I will put a link to how you do all of this in the description below, and then of course you can find the full recipe over at RVJedeye.com. And that reminds me, make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can go over to my blog at RVJedeye.com, click on there, find the recipe, find some other stuff that we've done over the years, and I think you'll really enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this one. I gotta get eating. I'm hungry. We'll see you next time on the road.